Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate again.
Miss
And
Hazel here too. Hi.
hello. So today we're going to learn about another artist. Her name is Howardena Pindell, and she is a woman who is an activist, a feminist. She made a lot of really great art. But what we're inspired by today is a piece that it was untitled, so I don't have a title for you. But what we're going to do is take a canvas and give it some texture by using tissue paper that we're going to Mod Podge on. I'm not going to use this one though. Sorry, guys. Hold on a minute. I forgot my sponge brush. Here we go. So we're going to use a little Mod Podge and glue down. Just going to fall over that. Glue down our tissue paper. Put it down, and then we're going to glue back over it again. It'll give you some wrinkles. So as you can see, this one's got some nice texture to it once it was dry. And then you can paint right over it. So I'm going to move that aside. When it's all dry, then you can take out your acrylics and paint over whatever you want to paint with it. You might want to look at her piece of art and see what inspires you with it. But something she was really well known for were her paper dots. So she would do multimedia pieces of art where she would, like I said, there was some texture on her painting. She would paint the whole thing, and then she actually added paper dots. So these are from our hole punch. I hole punched a lot of dots.
That's kind of cool, Miss Kate.
I'm going to use, actually this turns out it was tacky glue, not the Mod Podge. But I'm going to use some glue, and I'm going to...
Would you like some Mod Podge?
No, that's fine. I'm going to glue some of these around. I was thinking that this was sort of like an evening sky. So if you imagine that some of the, stay down there, some of the stars are coming out, that's what I was envisioning. But you get to do whatever you want to do, of course, because you are the artist. So I'm going to add some dots to this, and then I will finish. I'm going to decide sort of what I want. I was kind of thinking when I thought about the dots about some sort of a constellation that I've made up in my mind, running across the top of this. You can add them in all over the place. And then when they're dry, you'll end up with this beautiful piece of art, and you'll have learned about an artist that maybe you didn't know about before. Remember, her name is Howardena Pindell. And she's actually still alive today. Thanks. We'll see you soon.
That's very cool. Thanks, Miss Kate.
Remember, if you like our video, follow us on Instagram or subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.